Hello everyone, and welcome to this video for collective worship. I'm sorry that I can't be in school today with you all, but we're not having main school assembly today because of COVID. Today also, as you can tell from my breath, I'm outside in my garden. This is just behind my vicarage. You can see my dog wobbling around behind me as he explores what's going on. And the reason why I'm filming this video outside is because this week we're thinking about our world and our beautiful world that God has made for us. And one of my favourite things to do on a quiet morning is to come and sit here on the deck and just listen to what I can hear. If I pause for a moment, see if we can hear anything. There is quite a lot of building work at the moment, so we can hear somewhere in the distance the diggers and the cranes going as they're building new homes for people to live. But also you can hear, if you listen very carefully, some of the noise of our birds. And at the moment, particularly when we can hear the building of new houses and we can hear the tweeting of the birds, it's a reminder that we live side by side with nature. We need places to live, but so does the natural world. So do all of the animals and the birds. And we have to be really careful that where we live and how we live doesn't negatively impact the world around us. So there are lots of things that we can do to help look after this world that God has given us. So in my garden, I try and have something out for the birds to eat. You can see just here, I've got a bird feeder. It's quite difficult for them to find food in winter and when it's colder and when the trees aren't quite so green. I also try and leave some of the areas around the garden for wild plants to grow because insects and bees like them as well. You can also get or make a bug hotel, which is somewhere that you can have in a garden or an open space on a balcony that just allows insects to move in because they're really important for the way in which the world works. If you're walking around and you see packets on the floor or rubbish, picking that up and popping it in a bin is a really easy way to look after our natural world. And when we're at home and we finish with something, checking to see if it can be recycled rather than just put in the rubbish is also a really good way to make sure that we're looking after the world around us. God wants us to enjoy the world that's around us, but He's given it to us to look after. Because we need to make sure that future generations, your children's children's children, have a world in which to live in. And so, this week, have a look around you as you're walking to school, as you're walking back home. Appreciate the world that's around you. We live in a really good area where there's lots of green space, trees, grass, and parks. And we can all do a little bit to help look after it. Even in your playground at school, have a look and see if you can find any rubbish that needs picking up or anything that can be done to help animal life to flourish. So let us pray. First of all, I'll pray and give thanks for this world, and then we'll say the words of the Lord's Prayer together. Let us pray. Dear God, thank you for this world that you have given us, for all the green space, the plants, the trees and the animals. Help us to live side by side with nature in harmony, and help us to look after this world of yours so that our future generations may enjoy it too. Amen. And now let us say the words of the Lord's Prayer. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory, forever and ever. Amen. Amen. Well, God bless you all, and I hope that I will see you very soon. Have a great day, enjoy your learning, and look after this lovely world of ours. Bye-bye.